샛별
Morning guys, we are having breakfast.
Breakfast day 4.
Apa you buat for breakfast?
Omelette, ketam from 7E, toasted and toasted bread. Haris having pizza. Mak doing tuna sandwich.
We need to finish everything because we are traveling to our accommodation. Ma is making roti john. Basically egg and tuna toast. We are studying on our location, on our next destination, which is Asakusa Nakamichi Street. Ya Allah, okay. Let me bring you to our toilet for ground floor. We have toilet. So we are quite lucky to find a unit with 2 toilets. Satu atas, satu bawah. This is the laundry room. Ini ada apa? We have washing machine and dryer. So hari-hari kita cuci baju. Ni toilet dia. We don't know how to use this bathtub. They love to rendam dia badan ni. Bak ni tak apa dalam ni. We never use lah. Then, tada! We have our own sauna room. Ni pun kita tak guna lah. Ni sauna. We have our own sauna room. So yeah. Cream brulee from 7E. Sedap kan? Rasa apa?
Rasa vanilla. Ada aiskrim 4. Ada cream brulee. Very cinnamon lah rasa dia.
Tak lah. It's just
Ada brown sugar.
brown sugar. Ha. So it's like creme brulee tapi in ice cream form.
Yang mana tak sampai pun macam RM5 kot.
Dia good. Ha.
Sedap.
Oishi.
Macam isi dah.
Train at Fuji Kawaguchiko Station.
You're supposed to see nampak.
So today Fujisan is covered by the clouds there. So rezeki kita memanglah sampai the first 2 days, first 3 days actually. Nampak. So this adalah kawasan Kawaguchiko train station. Shops and the train station di belakang kan. Then nak drive through je Kawaguchiko train station, tengok apa ada. And then we'll make our way back to Tokyo. Oh, Fujisan.
Fujisan malu-malu ah. Fujisan-chan malu-malu.
Right there, Fujisan.
Masuk kena bayar.
Tak payah, tak payah.
Okay. So terus ke
Our last view of Mount Fuji, and then we are off to Tokyo.
dia. Ada bunyi
Ada dalam tu.
Oh, kau tak memang lawa lah cerita dia kan.
Yeah.
Kenapa kaki dia sengit dah ni?
Want to get after we reach Malaysia?
Nasi kandar and
Wow.
goreng mama.
Wow, 2 meal.
Sharing.
Tiba she decides for us. You?
Nothing. Kami makan je.
You don't miss Malaysia food, is it?
No.
So you can live here.
Yes.
One thing you need to do
Huh?
is to...
Learn Japanese.
Okay, I support you.
Then after that, we can migrate.
Bukan kau Samida.
Huh?
Bukan kau Samida.
Oh, arigatou gozaimasu.
Are you going to get your first meal?
Nasi goreng ayam.
Nasi goreng ayam.
Wow, nasi goreng ayam mama.
Tambah ayam. You?
Ai. Nasi lemak ayam goreng.
Jangan kau nak suki ni.
Kau boleh je. Kita okey je kan makanan Japanese ni. Yeah.
And we are back in Tokyo. Sekarang kita nak masuk ke hotel. We are 30 minutes away from the hotel.
Hotel apa?
Hotel apa hotel?
Tak faham.
Ha?
Hotel apa?
Apa hotel?
Yelah, apa?
Apa hotel?
Ya, apa?
Apa hotel lah.
Oma kata ada.
Apa hotel? So it's at I suggest you guys kalau datang Tokyo first time ke, duduklah kat Yamanote Line. It's like very accessible. Senang nak pergi mana-mana. I mean like your typical places that you will go is Shinjuku, Harajuku, Shibuya, where's that lagi? Asakusa, Akihabara. All that is on Yamanote Line. So that is a very wise decision. Although you have to spend a little bit. Orang kata satu malam you bayar extra, maybe 50 ringgit is way better than you travelling out to the outskirts. Today kita tak sempat makan our planned lunch destination, which is Yakiniku Panga. We will go to, kita repeat Tendon Itsuki, but it's at a different punya cawangan. Cawangan dia pun bukannya jauh pun. It's just across the street je. So the original one is at Ginza Mall there, around the area. So the other cawangan is at Ginza Novo Mall. So kita akan makan di sana. Kemudiannya kita nak cari kasut pula. Kita akan cari kasut di Alpan Tokyo. Then after that, if we got time and if our leg health permits us, we will go to Nakamise Shopping Street to look for all those snacks that kita nampak pernah research lah, yang kita research dan kita nak try. After that we will go for dinner. Dinner kita dah book di Sushi Ken. Mestilah datang Jepun mestilah makan sushi kan.
Berapa?
That will be
6
sushi. 6. So 6 PM we made reservation. So just in case kalau you nak makan tempat yang macam gini-gini, macam Yakiniku Panga, kalau dinner or sushi tempat ni yang halal tu, you need to do some reservation. I think for all dinner places also they take reservation. Better to do reservation if you are coming in groups more than 2. Rasanya kalau tu senang je, mana you masuk semua boleh masuk. Tapi kalau in 4 or more than 2, better make reservation for dinner rather than be disappointed or you kena tunggu lama lah. Lepas tu kalau orang main masuk je depan you, jangan muka bengok pula sebab you dah buat reservation. Maybe orang tu dah buat reservation. Kita kena bersangka baik selalu. Well, this is the jam in Tokyo. I don't know whether it's counted as a jam, But I think it's just some roadworks or kat depan tu. Yep. Sekejap je. We're gonna reach the hotel soon near Ikebukuro. Yeah. We'll do the hotel review later. And whether apparently apa hotel ni ada banyak franchise. So kalau
Dia macam kat Malaysia OYO.
Oyo ke?
Tak, I mean OYO kan banyak hotel.
Ah, yeah.
Tapi bukan level OYO lah.
No. Tu salah tu. Dia maybe Hilton brand ke, mana tahu kan. Hilton standard, we don't know. Well, we will do a hotel review later. And if recommended, don't know whether recommended. We will depend on hotel review, yeah. This is not a sponsored video. So sekarang kita duduk kat jam ni sekejap, senyum-senyum, hihi haha, dan kembali selepas ini. So betul-betul dia, betul-betul kat escalator. So Google cakap at 2F, sebenarnya dia kat B2F. Please Google betulkan kau punya direction B2F. So saya Ginza Novo basement tu. Betul-betul turun escalator, nampak ni. Then kedai dia kat corner. Nampak lah. Tendon Isuki. So you know what to eat, Di Matsumaya Ginza. Lepas tadi kita makan tendon Isuki. So tendon Isuki was at Ginza Novo. So kalau you exit from Ginza Station ni banyak ada line dia sebenarnya. So where's that? Ginza Novo was at exit C3. Terus je B2, terus you boleh nampak the tendon Isuki, whereby kita pula lepas tu kita pergi solat pula pun kita jalan underground je, tak payah jalan underground panas-panas or exposed to sun or ramai orang kat atas jalan. So kita just jalan at the underground level, keluar pergi ke station tu balik, kita exit A13. A13 senang guys. A13 jalan masuk mall, naik elevator, pergi roof, sampai prayer room dia. It's a shared prayer room, and tempat wuduk kat dalam tu, ada tempat wuduk kat dalam, so you can take your wuduk there. Let me remind you again, it's a shared prayer room. So like maybe there ada lelaki, kalau untuk para wanita kena tunggu sebentar kalau ada lelaki di dalam, atau no, just be considerate lah. To whoever, maybe ada orang dah datang dulu, ada jantina datang dulu, kasih diorang solat dulu. Walaupun dalam bilik tu ada orang lain. For example, I myself as a guy, dalam tu ada lelaki, tapi kita dah nampak ada orang wanita tu berdiri di situ, kita kasih dia pergi dulu sebab dia dah tunggu lama mungkin. Jadi kalau dia benarkan kita untuk solat dulu sebelum dia, dan kita proceed, alhamdulillah. Kalau tak, kita tunggu je, tak masalah. Alright guys, sekarang kita nak pergi ke Alpine Tokyo, which is at Shinjuku. So we will take the Marunouchi line and drop at Shinjuku. Apparently this is the first halal sushi in Tokyo. In Japan. So you see here the folding for you. Sebab kita 4 orang, orang tak pernah tengok. Siap, on the spot. So we order a few sushi rolls, sushi and tempura. Oh, dah datang. So far.
Siapa ni? Oh, kita punya.
Itulah $6.
Apa tadi? Grilled salmon.
Grilled salmon, 2 grilled salmon, 1 mackerel and 1 scallop.
sushi soy dia buat depan mata and then they send to us. If you appreciate experience like this,
Yeah.
mak, sini mak.
So kalau datang ini kedai sushi, jangan fikir sangat pasal duit, sebab the experience is sangat berbaloi. Siapa yang nak foldkan kau tu sushi depan mata ya? Tak. Kita orang dah foldkan and harga fresh lagi. Cuba, okay?
Abang fikir pernah ada.
Ya, ini halal. Tak, makan sushi makan pakai tangan. Ya.
Ingat boleh cakap
Sebab tu
bagi.
Sebab tu baca ni dia dah matikan kuman.
Lepas tak rasa mana?
Ni, depan je.
Oh, kita dapat air. Apa ya?
Kalau mana nak minta tadi minta tadi.
Oh, you dapat mak.
Depan ni. Ni, yang letak atas tu apa cerita?
Dia yang letak.
Tak lah.
Tidak.
Tidak.
Macam ni. Apa ambil?
Kau tak silap is. So orang Jepun makan wasabi je macam gini. Letak bawah.
How does she, react? So it's not like opposite. So now I want to do the same. Let them try the Japanese food and see how you all react.
Oh, ni ada plate lagi. Ni letak gini.
Highly recommend.
Gini. Tak. So, sushi dia dah tadi dah tu. So, terbalikkan. Balikkan.
Boleh je lah kan.
Putihkan je. Then Haris ordered some tempura, some white baked shrimp. Is it fried white baked shrimp? We ordered. Ingredient that is priceless.